As you know, after arriving the launch site, first the first test setup should be prepared by the Airbus and also by SpaceX. So roughly the 1 week duration should be taken for these activities. And after the test setup preparation, roughly 1 week duration is performing for the Buta check test, which is needed to understand or to perform, to understand and to cross-check all the health of the satellite. After that, in terms of the loading of the propellant, we are performing the chemical propellant loading to the satellite. And after that period, roughly 1 week period is performing to common work together with the SpaceX and Airbus to put the satellite inside the firing into the rocket. So roughly, for 4 week, 3 weeks period should be proceed in the launch pad side. We will use the 5A satellite for the TV broadcasting and the data communications. As you know, with new approach, different kind of the TV broadcasting needed is occurs. So we are trying to adapt this kind of services as same as the different platforms in terms of the different broadcasting activities could be able to do with the satellite 5A. By the way, in terms of the coverages, we will have opportunity to reach different regions like Africa. We will have opportunity to increase our services and coverage area in the Africa region. So it's also very important for us. And by the way, in terms of the technology, as I explained that Türksat 5A bring a new approach. We are using also electrical thrusters in the 5A satellites, and with this technology, we have opportunity to increase the capacity of the satellite. So it will bring also new capacity in our current Türksat coverages. The separation, we have different separation stages after the launch. In the SpaceX rocket, we have 2 stages. So roughly 3 minutes later after the launch, the first stage will be separated, roughly 60 kilometer distance from the ground. And after that, the stage 2 will be bring to satellite in the separation orbit, and roughly 30 minutes later, the separation will be performed with the stage 2, and after that, roughly 35 minutes later, we may opportunity to take the first signal from the satellite. After the separation of the satellite, there will be electric orbit raising. Orbit raising duration should be taken. I mean, we will have perform the launch activities with the SpaceX. And after the separation, from SpaceX point of view, everything will be finished. So with the Airbus, roughly 4 months, 20-day periods will be managed by the Airbus, and the transfer, after the transfer orbit duration, satellite will be reach its designated orbit position, which we call that geosynchronous orbit location. So after the separation, 4 months, 20-day periods will be taken, and at that orbital location, 30 days, the test, in-orbit test we are calling, the in-orbit test will be performed, and after that we will hand over the satellite.